Hello, welcome to our art lesson. Today we are going to make a picture in style of Amedeo Modigliani. He was an Italian painter who lived in France. He is known for his portraits with typically long necks and dark eyes. Yes, like these. But he wasn't famous straight away. He was so poor, he had to pay his landlord with his paintings. People discovered his talent only after he died. Well, okay, let's get painting. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you next time. Bye!